All right, got a 2005 Chrysler wheelchair accessible vehicle here. So I'll point out any of the dings, dents, or scratches we have on it. You got some wear there on the front grille. A little ding there. It's got fog lights on it. Good tires. This is the VMI NorthStar conversion, so the ramp is in the floor there. I'll show you how that works. Got a ding there. Looks like a dent that goes across the back there. This one does have the parking sensors on it. Got a scratch on the bumper here. Side skirts are all in good shape here. Sometimes those can get beat up. Okay, so how this works is when the vehicle is unlocked, we're going to be able to reach in and click the button right here. That is the open button. So that's going to open up the rear door. It's also going to start the sequence to have the ramp come out. And then the vehicle is kneeling down here as well. That's to reduce the ramp angle, so that way a manual or power chair can come in. So once the ramp is out, you can see there's a middle row position here that the person in the wheelchair can be locked down with those tie downs, anchors. This has the nice rubberized flooring in it. And then this seat actually comes out as well as this one. So the person in the wheelchair can actually, when we take that seat out, and I got pictures online, you can have somebody in a wheelchair position sitting up front while we're driving. That way they can see over the dashboard and everything. And then I'll turn this on. So this being a Chrysler, you've got the leather seats with the suede at the top here. And then you've got quite a few controls here. So you've got heated seats up at the top. You've got the screen here, which is going to show your radio station. It also has a navigation functionality, but there's no disc in it. And then you have your 3-zone climate control. So as I adjust this here, it's going to raise and lower the temperature. So this is the driver, rear seat, and passenger. And then because it has a rear navigation system, that's where you put the DVD system there for the navigation. It also has a CD auto changer. Got the owner's manual in there. And then to close everything up, we're gonna click on this button here or the one on the dash, and the one again. And that's gonna have the ramp come in. The vehicle's raising back up, and the door will shut. And then at the back here, this is where they've modified everything. You've got your set of straps in here. This comes with a set of manual straps and the wheelchair restraints, as well as the seat belt. So these straps actually anchor in there. So you got a set of 4 of them in there. And underneath here, you've got a spare tire as well. So, pretty nice setup. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions.